Welcome to Bike Shift, your trusted destination for the latest automobile updates. Today we explore an exciting new development in electric mobility, the 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw, a game-changing vehicle claimed to deliver an impressive 400-kilometer driving range. Designed for the future of urban and semi-urban transport, this electric rickshaw aims to redefine efficiency, durability, and earning potential. The 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw features a refreshed and modern exterior that focuses on strength and functionality. The body is expected to be built with durable materials for long working hours and rough road conditions. Improved aerodynamics, a reinforced chassis, and better weight distribution help enhance stability, especially when carrying passengers or cargo. The overall design balances professional appeal with everyday practicality. At the heart of this electric rickshaw is an advanced electric motor paired with a high-capacity battery pack. The standout highlight is its claimed 400 kilometers range on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range electric rickshaws in its segment. Smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and strong torque delivery ensure stress-free driving even with full loads and frequent stops. The 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw is expected to support fast-charging technology, reducing downtime between shifts. With smart battery management systems, the battery life is optimized for long-term use. Regenerative braking may also help recover energy during city driving, further improving overall efficiency and reducing charging costs. Comfort plays a key role in daily commercial use. This rickshaw is expected to offer a more spacious cabin, improved seating, and better legroom. Enhanced suspension setup helps absorb road shocks, while an ergonomic handlebar and easy-to-read digital instrument cluster provide a more relaxed driving experience throughout the day. Safety is another strong focus for Tata. The electric rickshaw may include stronger brakes, improved lighting, and better road visibility. A stable frame, reliable electrical components, and thermal protection for the battery ensure safe operation in varying weather and traffic conditions. With zero fuel consumption and minimal maintenance needs, the 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw significantly reduces daily operating costs. Lower electricity expenses and fewer mechanical parts translate into higher savings and improved profit margins for drivers and fleet owners alike. The 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw with 400 kilometers range represents a bold step toward sustainable and profitable transportation. With long range, modern design, strong performance, and low running costs, it has the potential to transform last-mile mobility. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more updates on the latest electric and automotive innovations.